Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get the shiny totem in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to find 4 shine instead of normal fish color, the shiny totem is one of the most powerful items for collectors in Fish It. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact location. And of course, you can start by going to the Fisherman Island, and in here found the traveling merchant on the left side of the islands. You can just talk to the alien merchant in here and talk to him, view the shop, and you'll find the shiny totem. So if you don't find it when you want to purchase it, as you guys can see, there will be times when the item is refreshed or shuffled. So you can just go back after the reset time, and hopefully the shiny totem will be there. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.